You're about to discover what many are saying is the biggest, most lucrative business op ever. Have you ever dreamt of traveling the world? Maybe go to Italy, Japan, Portugal, or even France. Or maybe just taking off on a one-week vacation every other month down south to Cancun, Mexico, Cayacoco, Cuba, or Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Of course you have. We all dream of having the lifestyle of the rich and famous. How about having the time and freedom to do what you want when you want? Now that's a laugh, right? In today's world, there are too many people trying to make ends meet, working 2 or 3 jobs just to make it in the monthly budget rat race. Too many people losing their jobs, too many people without work because there are no jobs. Now, what if I told you there is a way out of this vicious circle of seeing your bills pile up, not knowing if you can make your next car payment, not knowing if you can pay your next month's rent or mortgage? And what if I told you that you may travel as many times as you want, whenever you want, without it costing you 1 red cent? Well, listen up. Introducing a brand new worldwide travel platform that is literally going viral. Everyone loves to travel and everyone wants a supplemental income. Our affiliates will be rewarded for inviting, sharing, and connecting. This is the new generation of travel networking. If you were to be in business in less than 5 minutes, work a few hours a week part-time, and earn a 4-figure income your very first month in business, would you be interested? What if it's a proven system that is affordable literally for everyone, profitable, and works immediately, and pays you daily? Would that get you off the couch? If I told you that you will receive enough free travel points every time you share this opportunity, that within your first 2 months, you may take a 1-week vacation for 2 people to Cancun, Mexico, are you getting excited? Whether you're an internet whiz or not, there is absolutely no experience needed. All you need is a phone, iPad, or PC, and do what you always do on social media platforms like Facebook. We are a leading provider of the travel industry worldwide, offering a one-stop shopping source for booking hotel, vacations, flights, cars, cruises, and activities. Imagine with a click of a mouse, choosing a travel package, a hotel getaway for the weekend, maybe just renting a car. You may now do this without it costing you 1 single penny. Zippo, nada. Get rewarded for something you already do, social media sharing, and enjoy doing it daily. Travel is not our only specialty. Getting out of the rat race and securing your financial future is our #1 priority. Zero budget. Our first goal is for you to eliminate your monthly budget your very first month. If your budget to pay your food, your bills, mortgage, and car payments represents $3,780, then we together can eliminate your monthly budget, and finally you can say you have zero budget. Then the sky's the limit. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. No hype, no BS. This will be massive. You deserve it for yourself. To find out more about this phenomenal opportunity, enter your name and email and hit that submit button now.